He attempted to deceive the investors with false financial reports. He attempted to deceive the investors with false financial reports. The fraudulent scheme promised quick riches to unsuspecting individuals. The fraudulent scheme promised quick riches to unsuspecting individuals. The magician used clever tricks to amaze the audience. The magician used clever tricks to amaze the audience. The swindler manipulated the stock market for personal gain. The swindler manipulated the stock market for personal gain. Please cover the confidential information to prevent unauthorized access. Please cover the confidential information to prevent unauthorized access. She concealed the treasure in a secret compartment. She concealed the treasure in a secret compartment. The tree provided a natural shelter for the birds during the storm. The tree provided a natural shelter for the birds during the storm. The farmer worked hard to protect his chickens from predators. The farmer worked hard to protect his chickens from predators. The cattle rancher raised bovines for both meat and milk. The cattle rancher raised bovines for both meat and milk. The bull in the field asserted dominance over the herd. The bull in the field asserted dominance over the herd. The child played joyfully in the backyard. The child played joyfully in the backyard. The youth showed great enthusiasm for learning. The youth showed great enthusiasm for learning. The inventor was able to create a groundbreaking technology. The inventor was able to create a groundbreaking technology. The artist generated a beautiful painting with vibrant colors. The artist generated a beautiful painting with vibrant colors. It's time to select a candidate for the leadership position. It's time to select a candidate for the leadership position. We need to pick the best option for the project. We need to pick the best option for the project. The offense committed was a serious violation of the law. The offense committed was a serious violation of the law. The transgression resulted in severe consequences. The transgression resulted in severe consequences. The police officer noticed a suspicious ring of individuals. The police officer noticed a suspicious ring of individuals. The boat sailed in a circular pattern around the lake. The boat sailed in a circular pattern around the lake. The circumference of the circle was precisely measured. The circumference of the circle was precisely measured. Be careful when you traverse the busy intersection. Be careful when you traverse the busy intersection. The roadways pass over the mountainous terrain. The roadways pass over the mountainous terrain. The two streets intersect at the city center. The two streets intersect at the city center. The urban area is characterized by its high population density. The urban area is characterized by its high population density. The municipality invested in improving public infrastructure. The municipality invested in improving public infrastructure. The child started to cry after losing the game. The child started to cry after losing the game. The mother comforted her weeping youngster. The mother comforted her weeping youngster. The heated discussion revolved around the controversial topic. The heated discussion revolved around the controversial topic. It's essential to deliberate on important decisions. It's essential to deliberate on important decisions. Sometimes, it's good to fantasize and imagine a different reality. Sometimes, it's good to fantasize and imagine a different reality. The writer envisioned a fantastical world in his novel. The writer envisioned a fantastical world in his novel. Please place the deposit in the designated area. Please place the deposit in the designated area. She stored the important documents in a secure location. She stored the important documents in a secure location. People consume various beverages, but water is essential. People consume various beverages, but water is essential. He decided to imbibe a glass of wine with his meal. He decided to imbibe a glass of wine with his meal. The author tried to depict the scene in vivid detail. The author tried to depict the scene in vivid detail. The artist portrayed the beauty of nature in the landscape. The artist portrayed the beauty of nature in the landscape. Operate the machinery with caution to avoid accidents. Operate the machinery with caution to avoid accidents. She steered the boat expertly through the narrow channel. She steered the boat expertly through the narrow channel. The soldier navigated the dense forest with precision. The soldier navigated the dense forest with precision. The explorer propelled his boat with a paddle. The explorer propelled his boat with a paddle. Many animals abandon the desert during harsh conditions. Many animals abandon the desert during harsh conditions. The soldiers were forced to forsake their position. The soldiers were forced to forsake their position. The dim room was illuminated by a single lamp. The dim room was illuminated by a single lamp. The shadowy figure disappeared into the gloom. The shadowy figure disappeared into the gloom. The physician provided healing care to the sick patients. The physician provided healing care to the sick patients. The medical practitioner specialized in holistic healing. The medical practitioner specialized in holistic healing. Perform the task with precision and attention to detail. Perform the task with precision and attention to detail. He executed the plan flawlessly, achieving success. He executed the plan flawlessly, achieving success. The aged man shared his wisdom with the younger generation. The aged man shared his wisdom with the younger generation. The senior members of the community offered valuable advice. The senior members of the community offered valuable advice. Citrus fruits like oranges are rich in vitamin C. Citrus fruits like oranges are rich in vitamin C. The tangerine and mandarin belong to the citrus family. The tangerine and mandarin belong to the citrus family. Each individual has their own unique perspective. Each individual has their own unique perspective. The diverse group represented different backgrounds. The diverse group represented different backgrounds. Solely responsible for the decision, he faced the consequences. Solely responsible for the decision, he faced the consequences. The exclusive event was attended by only a few people. The exclusive event was attended by only a few people. The chef sliced the vegetables with precision. The chef sliced the vegetables with precision. She chopped the ingredients for the salad. She chopped the ingredients for the salad.